Welcome to Java Forum. In this video, we are going to see how to print the host name of the computer using the socket module available in the Python. So first I am opening the idle. Here I am importing socket module, import socket. So this is my first statement, socket.guest host name. So this will print the host name of the computer. Next, print socket.get host by address. Get host by addr. Inside that I am passing socket.get host name. So this will print all the information like host name and address. Here I can see that IP6 address is got printed. If you have IP6 or IP4 address, it will get printed. That is host name by address. Next, I am going to print the fully qualified domain name. So this is the Python statement to get the fully qualified domain name, socket.getFQDN. This will print out the fully qualified domain name if it is configured. So I did not configure fully qualified domain name. If you configure fully qualified domain name, it will be printed. So socket module is a default available module, no need to install from any external source.